Lesson check. Comets, meteors, and asteroids. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. Small, mostly rocky objects that orbit the sun, asteroids, comets, or meteors. Number 2. True or false? Chunks of rock or dust smaller than asteroids are known as meteors. True or false? Number 3. A streak of light produced from the friction of a chunk of rock from space entering our atmosphere is known as asteroid, meteor, or meteoroid. Number 4. Meteoroids that pass through the atmosphere and impact the Earth's surface are called asteroid, meteor, meteorite. Number 5. Many asteroids can be found orbiting between which two planets? Mars and Mercury, Mars and Venus, or Mars and Jupiter. Number 6. A loose collection of ice and dust that orbits the sun, typically in a long, narrow orbit. Comet, asteroid, or meteor. Figure 1. Use the image to answer the next two questions. Number 7. True or false? The image above shows a meteor in the night sky. True or false? Number 8. True or false? A meteor is really a star falling from outer space. True or false? Number 9. An object that orbits the sun has enough gravity to be spherical, round, but has not cleared the area of its orbit is called an asteroid, comet, or a dwarf planet. Number 10. Pluto was reclassified as a blank because it does not have enough gravity or mass to clear its orbit path. An asteroid, a meteoroid, or a dwarf planet.